I fed little Puff. He's got food and water there. It rained, so it filled up the bowl. And I fed Mr. Bill. Hi there, Mr. Bill. You like your food? Mr. Bill's a good-sized cat. Got plenty of water there because the rain filled up the bowls. Yeah, it's okay. Little Puff still got his cold. Sounded like he was trying to blow snot out of his head. But anyway, Mr. Bill and Little Puff are both male cats, and they just, kind of like to keep away from each other. So I feed them separately. They keep away, and that's good because I don't want Mr. Bill to catch Little Puff's cold that he's got. But the reason I came out here was because this eggshells, banana peels, coffee grounds, leftover coffee, some stuff that was in the drain filter in the sink, and I figured it was time to go ahead and anyway, I put this together right before I came out to make this video. Just collected a few things. So I'm going to just run it out to the compost and put it out there. Kind of give you a little update on the compost and the cats and a little about what's going on in the back 40. We had some rain, so everything's nicely wet, slushy out here. I was at work. I did about 20 hours of work. Look at that. Yeah, it's slowly growing, ain't it? Anyway, I like to put my leftover coffee into the compost as well. And those are pretty little flowers, aren't they? Make a pretty picture. I might take a picture of that and use that as my thumbnail for my video. The little tomato plant's coming on. Looks healthy. And, we've got different things sprouting in here. Little odds and ends. But being fall, winter time, all that's going to change. So I'm going to just pour the coffee in there and just dump all this on top. I'm not going to worry about the coffee grounds and spreading them out right now. I can do that later. But anyway, just want to make sure I got all that taken care of and out of the house. I'll bring it out here. Knock it out of my ball. Granddaddy Longleg. Where are you going, Granddaddy Longleg? Guess I disturbed Mr. Granddaddy Longleg. Alright. Anyway, what we've done is we've set aside $5,000, and we're going to use that $5,000 on projects. Not really sure if I'm going to use it on projects here at this house or at the other house. I need to do things, for the other house so I can get it sold. I need to just go ahead and get all that done. But anyway, I'm planning on doing videos on those projects as I work on them, and I'll put them in a different playlist. Like a projects playlist for my videos. And I don't know, whenever I post a video, it's not always apparent that it's in a specific playlist, I guess. But when people do come and look at my YouTube channel, they can look at the different playlists and see the videos that are in those playlists. So whenever I post a video or make a video, I'll probably mention in there which playlist it's going to be in. But this compost is growing, isn't it? It's going to grow some more because I'm going to be gathering up leaves, and I'm going to turn this, mix it all in with leaves, and I'm going to take that tomato plant there and I'm going to put it in a separate bucket or something, in a container, so that I can grow it over the winter inside. I might just go ahead and just turn this thing into a little greenhouse, because in the mornings it gets good sunshine. Not for very long, but it'll serve as a little greenhouse, I guess. Do some plastic wrap on it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do really. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do odds and ends like that. See if I can have me a little garden over the winter time. But yeah, I've got 5 acres back here to collect leaves and stuff for my compost piles, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, I don't know, probably one entire day to do nothing but do that. Go and collect and mix up my compost piles and get them, and maybe actually find some old pallets and build me actual real compost bins to do my compost in. So as we go along, I'll be making some videos about that. So wish me luck on my compost piles. Wish me luck on my future gardens. Wish me luck on my projects. And I'll try to have some good content, maybe a little bit better videography, I guess you could say. Videography, is that the word? Maybe come up with a slightly different way of doing my videos. And if you have any comments or suggestions on how I can do that, just let me know, and comment, and I'll talk to you later.